This is a braised catfish, 1.5 pounds. Freshly cooked, very yummy. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make braised catfish. The ingredient we have today is 1.5 pound catfish, you see the skin almost white. So how I did this catfish to turn it from black to white is I boiled the water, hot boiling water, and then I pour it on my fish. And so I have a bowl. I put this 1.5 pounds of catfish inside a bowl, hot boiling water onto the fish. I put one tablespoon of salt and I let it soak. While it's soaked, I use a knife and just clean the skin. And it was easy to do when you have hot boiling water, then you can clean up the skin really well with the hot water and salt. That will take away all the fishy smell. So there's no smell on this. So this is the main ingredient, is 1.5 pounds of catfish. And right now I'm gonna go ahead and chop off onion, garlic, and shallot, and also Thai chili. Almost every meal that I make come with these onions and garlic and shallot. I think that what it does is add flavor, like really good flavor to all the meat that you make. So no matter what it is that you make, these are the things that you need. I'm closing my eyes as I cut this shallot, because in the past it gave me a lot of tears. I chop off 4 Thai chili and then the other 4 I leave them all in whole piece. So it's ready to start cooking now. Spoon of oil, and then this is the brown sugar, caramelized. Okay, so it's brown already. I'll go ahead and add the garlic, wipe out the garlic, shallot, This is 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the fish inside. See how white they are? Very white. So after you put it in for a minute or so, then you add seasoning to this. This is 4 tablespoons of fish sauce. This one is 1 tablespoon of vegetarian mushroom oyster sauce. Half tablespoon of chicken powder bouillon. I'm going to add chili. Just turn a couple times, make sure all the sauce penetrates inside the fish. It looks really nice, the color, caramel. Looking really good. You hear the sound of the water, hot water, the kettle. I just boiled the hot water. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the water in here, hot water in here. This is half a cup of hot water. Remember, never put cold water while you're cooking, when you cook fish or anything like that. It will turn the food into very fishy taste, and which you don't want, right? So no cold water. Make sure it's hot boiling water. Half a cup. So with this, I'm gonna let it simmer for 10 minutes, and it should be done. What I add here is 1 tablespoon of spicy chili crisp to give it more taste, more spicy taste, and more color to the fish. I'm going to turn the heat low and let it simmer for 10 minutes. So I let the fish simmer for 10 minutes. Right now I'm gonna test to see how it tastes. Wow, this is perfect. What I do is I cut a maybe 2 tablespoons of cilantro. Go ahead and add the spring onion in here. Cilantro. And 1/4 of black pepper, 1/4 tablespoon of black pepper. And there you have it, braised catfish. Yummy, yummy, yummy for my tummy.